Wuyi Mountain, located in the southeastern part of China, has a total area of about 1,000 square kilometers. It has the largest nature reserve in Fujian province and the largest existing subtropical primary forest system in the same latitude zone in the world. Wuyi Mountain is deeply influenced by a fault zone, which controls the direction of the ridgeline. The other faults divide the mountain into several fault blocks and form many deep valleys. The Tongmuguan fault zone is the center of the faults, forming a spectacular V-shaped Grand Canyon. The intense tectonic movements of millions of years ago gifted Wuyi Mountain a magnificent Dansha landform, which differs from the Dansha landform in northwest China. Many of the rock surfaces are covered with different shades of vegetation, creating a blush on the huge green mountains. The Goddess Peak, the symbol of Wuyi Mountain, is the typical residual Dansha landform left by the faults. Geological movement caused a red rock massif to collapse under its enormous weight. The Goddess Peak is the last remaining pillar of the surrounding rocks after the collapse. There are many cracks in the karst rocks of Wuyi Mountain. After millions of years of scouring and cutting by water flowing through them, many streams have been formed around the mountain. Sitting on bamboo rafts and following the stream, tourists can enjoy the scenery of Wuyi Mountain along the way.